Look at this 2006 Dodge Ram 2500. This Ram 2500 has just under 89,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Ram 2500 boasts a 5.9-liter inline-six engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the 2AG SLT Customer Preferred Order Selection Package, Quad Cab Thunder Road Value Group, 3.73 axle ratio, standard, anti-spin rear axle, 5.9L, 360, i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine, cab clearance lamps, federal emissions, standard, 17 inches x 8 forged aluminum wheels, rec, 2G SLT CPOS package, and the front hood protection shield. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.